In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create order history in Facebook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your shop in Meta's tools so orders are tracked automatically and are easy to review whenever you need them. Start by heading to Meta Business Suite using the account that manages your Facebook page or Instagram profile. From there, open Commerce Manager. This is the dashboard where your catalog, sales settings, and orders all live, and it's the place that powers your order history. If you haven't created a shop yet, Commerce Manager will guide you through a quick setup. You'll choose the page or profile the shop will be connected to, confirm your business details, and review basic sales preferences. Don't worry if you're new to this. Just follow the prompts on screen and keep your information consistent with what customers see on your page and website. Next, add your products. Start with the product name, keeping it short, clear, and searchable. Enter the price exactly as you intend to charge, including the correct currency for your region. Write a helpful description that covers key features, sizing or variants, materials, and any important care or usage notes so shoppers have what they need to decide. Upload crisp, well-lit images that show the product from multiple angles. Square or vertical images with a plain background tend to look best in the shop and feed placements. Save each product as you go so your catalog stays organized. If checkout is available in your country, enable it within Commerce Manager. This allows customers to complete their purchase directly on Facebook or Instagram, and it's the simplest way to ensure orders are tracked from payment to fulfillment. Just follow the on-screen steps to turn it on. If you see that checkout isn't supported in your region, you can continue building your shop and catalog. Availability varies and may roll out over time. Once a customer places an order, order history is created automatically. You don't have to switch anything on. To view it, go to Commerce Manager and open the Orders section. You'll see each order with its status, the items purchased, quantities, and totals. Clicking into an order reveals the full record so you can review details and keep your internal tracking aligned. Keep your product data up to date, names, prices, and images so the order records stay accurate. That's it. By using Commerce Manager, setting up your shop, adding complete product details, and enabling checkout where available, your Facebook order